Hi, I'm a smoking elk, and this is my bone-in ribeye with chili butter scallops, samphire, and some charred new potatoes. January, am I doing it? What do you think? Dry January, am I doing it? What do you think? Absolutely not. But one thing I do like to promote in January is to kind of eat local, eat good quality British high welfare produce. So I've got a bone-in ribeye steak here from Philip Warren Butchers. I've got some scallops here, and what I want to do is show you, no doubt, hopefully a lot of you would have got outside and used your barbecue at Christmas. Now there's a big gap between Christmas and the summer, isn't there? Barbecue season, as we call it. So I want you to carry on using your barbecue. So I'm going to show you how we knock up this beautiful produce on the Kettle Joe. It's January, it's cold, but yes, you should still be out there using your barbecue. So we're going to do a whole meal on the Kettle Joe. We're doing this bone-in ribeye steak. Got these scallops that I'm going to cook in a little bit of white wine, and then finish off with a chili butter. Got some samphire, and I've got some potatoes that I've kind of parboiled, and then we're going to finish them off in a hot pan on the Kettle Joe. So the first thing we want to do is drink some of this. And then the steak, I'm just going to put a thin coat of oil on there, season with some salt, and put that in there over high heat. I've got this running at around about 250, 300 degrees Celsius. That's going to be a nice high heat for this steak, and we're going to be cooking that on one of the grates. The pan is nice and hot on the grate, but when the steak's done, I'm going to take it off to rest it. I'm going to take one of the grates out. Remember, it's got half moon grates in there, so you can leave one in, take one out. So I'm going to take one of them out, and that's when we're going to put the scallops directly on the coals in that ceramic firebox in there. Going to go in with a touch of white wine in each shell, and we're going to cook those, give them a flip after about 3 minutes, and then finish them off with some of the chili butter, samphire. I'm just going to put in some foil with some holes in, because they're going to fall through the grill grate otherwise. So foil, some holes in, and just a little bit of oil on that. And I've got some new potatoes. I've got a pan nice and hot in there that's just going to go in there with a bit of butter and some seasoning. So let's crack on. Have a look at this. Have a look at this feast that we've created. Yes, it's January. Yes, it's dark now, but barbecues are all year round. They're for life. They're not just for summer. They're not just for barbecue season. So you've seen there, I've managed to knock up a pretty decent meal, all on the Kettle Joe. We've got bone-in ribeye steak. We've got scallops and chili butter. We've got some samphire, and of course we've got the charred new potatoes. This looks absolutely delicious. So I do hope you won't neglect your barbecues over the winter. Get out there, get them fired up on a smoking elk. I'll see you again soon. Happy days.